Alright guys, today I'm going to show you another recipe with chicken, just like I did with the breast, but today is going to be slightly different. I'm going to use less ingredients. I'm only using potatoes, onions, shallots, peppers, chilies, spring onions, garlic and lardons. So what I'm going to do is just get off the meat from the legs. And I still have the wings as well. I'm not quite sure if I'm going to cook up the wings right now or I keep it for... I could actually make a soup with the bones and the wings, and I might do that, yeah. So I get out 3 meals out of 1 chicken, which is amazing if you think about it. So I'm going to remove the legs, and to do it, it's quite simple. You just have to find the bones. So there is one bone that's holding the meat. Again, there is a joint. Try not to cut the joint. So joint is dislocated already. Just cut around the joint and try to get all the meat off. Do the same for the other side. But again, if there is some meat left on the bone, that's quite fine with me, because I'm going to turn this into a soup now that I decided to do that. Okay, so that's our bone, and then the next step is that I'm going to take out this bone as well. Just cut around the bone. It's quite simple, really. Yeah, I've got the bone. There we go. That's done. One nice big leg. Okay, keep this for later. And let's do the second leg. See, I just grab the bone. Simple. Do the same the other side. Or with the thigh. That's it. Quite easy. And just work around the bone. We got to the joint. Done. Okay, so I'm just going to tenderize the meat. I'll just put some cling film over the meat so I don't have meat pieces flying everywhere, which we don't want. So grab me tool and just gently that's it. So I just tenderized it, and I should grab another plate. This can go here for now. All right, I'm going to season the meat with this salt mix, which I bought in Malta, and it's called ginger mix salt, but it doesn't actually seem to have any ginger in it. It says it has sea salt and chili. So let's try something new. We'll see what happens. Okay, that's one leg done. Do exactly the same with the second leg. That's it, I'm happy with that. So this goes to the bin, and these I'm going to freeze and make a soup out of at some point. To start with, I'm going to cook off these lardons. On a medium heat. I'll dice my potato. So the potatoes I'm going to dice fairly small, around the same size as the peas. Just like so. Super easy. Just transfer this to a plate. Okay, so potatoes are done. Happy days. Oh, one is done. I'll do the same for the second potato as well. Okay, second potato is done as well. Easy. Now with the onions, I'm not actually going to fully cook the onions. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to cook everything else off, and then at the end I'm just going to add the onions, because I want it to be crunchy. Do the same with the shallots. Okay. The peppers will cook off, but I want the spring onions, I'm going to handle the same as the onions. So this can go here. However, the garlic, I'm going to try to make them crispy if I can. Okay, so onions done. The this is getting cooked off nice. Let's see. Use some beef tallow as always. So I'm going to cook the garlic in that pan, and I'm going to do the chicken in that one, potatoes in here. So the garlic are just sliced into thin slices. That's it. Nice thin slices. And the pepper. That's it. Just like this. Okay, so peppers are sliced as well. Happy days. And then I've just got my chilies. Lovely, lovely jubbly. Okay, these are getting cooked. Let's cook off the garlic. I think this is going to be fairly quick. Okay, so garlic is lovely. And crispy. Just tiny bit more heat. That's it. Okay, so the garlic is done. Oh, let's see if I can take it out. Yeah. And then I'm going to fry off the chicken in the garlic oil, or garlic infused oil, with skin side down again, just like I did with the chicken breast. So this goes back. It's on medium low heat. Try to locate my chicken. I just found it. So the chicken goes in skin side down, and just like I did with the chicken breast, I just let it cook. I'm not going to touch it. The bacon is done, nice and crispy as well. Okay, just one left. Wait, come on. Okay, so my bacon is done as well. So is my garlic. I can go in with the potatoes, and I'll fry the potatoes off in this fat. Just going to season the potatoes with salt and pepper for now. Okay, potatoes are almost done. And you see how the potatoes stick to my pan, but I'm not too worried about it. And it's time to flip the chicken. All right, just going to add some water. Okay, so all the burnt bits I'm just going to get rid of. That's it. Nice and easy to clean. Give it a rinse. Simple. Now, just going to add some more fat to this, like so. I'm going to cook up the peas. About half of the bag. Going to check on my chicken. Yeah, chicken is almost there. Nice. Just leave it for a couple of minutes. Season my peas as well the same way. Alright, chicken is done. Pretty much. Yep, definitely done. So I can take my chicken out. Okay, peas are done as well. What I'm going to do is finish the potatoes in that fat that the chicken was cooked in. I'm going to add the peppers and the onions. And remember what I said, I'm not going to cook the onions fully because I want the crunch. And just when it's almost ready, I'm going to add some paprika as well. So potato will go back in. Just going to add some paprika to this. And the dish is almost done. Can turn this one off. Okay, that's done. I'm done with this plate as well. Just finish off the potatoes. Let's see. Make them nice and crispy. Nice little crispy potatoes. Okay. This needs a tiny bit more salt. But that's pretty much it. So I just get rid of the oil. And transfer everything in the bigger pan. Go in with the potatoes. That's your dish done. Easy. That's it. Turn it off. Nice. Okay. And I'm serving it with pickled red cabbage. So at this point I can add my garlic. Keep this dish for the chilies. And just finish it off with the lardons. And there you go. I think that's quite a good looking meal. Don't forget the chilies. So guys, this is the second meal that I've done from the whole chicken. So we have the chicken leg deboned and served with potato, pea, pepper and onion and shallot with crispy garlic. I think it's a good looking dish. Hope I inspired you to try something new if you didn't know this dish, and see you in the next one. Thank you guys.